Greetings, friends. We're here to share with you the Lamban dance from Guinea. As always, it's super helpful to keep your knees bent, even bouncy, as you do this movement. Let's practice a little bounce with the drum. First, let's learn the feet, nice and slow. Alternate stepping to one side, then the other side. 3 steps, then pivot. Step, 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 pivot. Good. Let's try it a bit faster. Step, 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 pivot. Step, 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 pivot. Step, 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 pivot. We'll try that a few more times each side. That's it. Good work, everyone. Now, let's learn the upper body movement. Swing both arms across the body, then one arm overhead. Across, overhead. Across, overhead. Continue just like that. Okay, that was pretty fast. Let's slow it down a bit. Facing the side, swing both arms across your chest. Then swing the arm closest to your screen in a big rainbow arc overhead until it brings you to face the other side. It's really fun when you let your eyes follow your fingertips all the way to the other side. Nice. Now let's do the lower body and upper body movement together. We'll stay at the slow tempo to begin, then go faster. Step, 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 pivot. Arms cross, then rainbow arc. This step helps to get the attention of the community to present the jelly or griot, the local historian storyteller. Get ready to take it faster. Here we go. Step, 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 pivot. Arms cross, rainbow arc. Looking good. Great job, everyone. Now let's move on to the second step. Jump onto one foot, lower the other, bounce, step to one side, then the other. Jump, lower, bounce, step side to side. Good, let's try a little faster. Jump, bounce, bounce, step side to side. Now that the tempo is a bit faster, you can take a double bounce here. Jump, bounce, bounce, step side to side. Good, let's learn the upper body for this step. Arms circle around, reach back, then front. One arm extends side, then other side. Circle around, reach back, then front. Extend side, then other side. Try it once more. Circle, reach back, then front, extend side, then other side. All right, now we'll do the entire thing. The first and second step, upper and lower body together, slow and then fast. Get ready. Here we go. Step, 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 pivot. Arms cross, then rainbow arc. Continue just like that. Get ready for the second step. Jump, bounce, bounce. Extend side, then other side. Okay, get ready to take the whole thing faster. Here we go. Step, 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 pivot, arms cross, rainbow arc. Looking good, folks. Get ready, we're going to move on to the second step. Jump, bounce, bounce, extend, extend, circle, back, front, and side to side. Circle, back, front, reach side to side. Last time, you're almost there. Way to go, friends. Thanks for dancing with us.